Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this Kawasaki Versys 650, registered the 1st of July 2022 on a 22 plate with only 7,142 miles and presented in metallic phantom silver and passion red. This particular example benefits from service history and plethora of must-have extras, which includes hand guards, twin-port USB charging, rear hugger, R&G aero frame protector, radiator guard, Oxford heated grips, Puig touring screen, and genuine color-coded 3-box luggage. The Kawasaki Versys 650 is a cinch-to-ride and firm favorite for new or returning riders wanting a motorcycle of this style and can be a too compliant with the installation of a restrictor kit. The Versys 650 is comfy on the long haul, and the taller, manually adjustable screen and wide tank protect your head, shoulders and knees from high-speed windblast. This versatile motorcycle comes standard with an easy-to-read color, TFT dash, Bluetooth connectivity, and 2-mode traction control. The Versys 650 can be used for everything from popping to the shops to traveling across Europe. This awesome adventure bike will leave us serviced where required with a 12-month MOT, a comprehensive PDI inspection, and 3-month warranty. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 014 24 44 44 48, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 073 598 37799. Please note, we have a small £89 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.